Shenseea give us an update on her album and a new single she have coming, and she also talk about not getting over the passing of her mom.
Romeich, should people have said to the ear just that?
So you go. Good manager do all the job them for you. Now pull out the man artist here though.
Ding dong have ear. Is that your man? No. Watch him, he's just my manager. Watch him. Yo, answer a question now.
No.
Man, I'll take out my painting out time place. Throw this. Fling it on office.
It's in the studio.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, I'm pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now today we are talking about Shenseea again. Yesterday while I was making a video about her, she went on live. So she talked about a few things. She has her birthday coming up, right? That's going to be on October 1st. So the Shenyang them want to get ready to celebrate with her, okay? And then she talked about a song where she had released that's produced by Murder on the Beat. And if you don't know who Murder on the Beat is, he produced Wally for the big song them in hip hop. Enough song where you know. You see me, so we talk about song like, you know, Motorsport with Cardi B, Amigos them, and we talk about song like Travis Scott, Butterfly Effect, and whole heap of song. Any song we pretty much hear with the tag we say Murder on the Beat, so that's not nice, you know, say a Murder Beat production, and we can bet say him have a lot of other songs where in tag not in it as well. And you know, him work with Drake as they both Canadians, if that even mean nothing, but the whole Canadian artist scene and music scene, them probably work together as well. And now Shenseea in the loop, so Shenseea got talk about it, so let's listen and hear what Shenseea say. Here goes.
Who produced it? I can't tell you. I can't tell you. You think I should tell them who produced it, Romeich?
Song?
Yeah.
You can't give them a one hint.
The producer is Murder on the Beat, so it's not nice.
Murder on the Beat.
Murder on the Beat, guys. He produced my next single. Romeich is now on my live and he's sitting beside me. Why?
I want to read the comments.
Nah, I can't wait for that song. Nah, it's gonna be lit for sure. Murder on the Beat. Sing P sides. No, you guys just gonna have to tune in. Is it a rap or dancehall or sing song? I don't think it matters for you guys. Y'all support me either way, right? Right? I know y'all do. Somebody said, watch your fish, Romeich. Hey, me done. Who is free the guys at 876? Behave. But you know about Romeich, eh? Chop it. Can't wait for the album. Me too. Guys, actually the reason why it's taking so long, I'm gonna be honest with you, is that I'm trying to outdo myself at this moment. And I have other things in the works, of course.
Yeah, people, so definitely Shenseea album way past due from February or so it did for drop from what she said last year. You see what I say? And she did say done from last year, she said that. So we don't know what go on, but the year almost done. Like 3 months left for the year done, and we don't get it yet. So maybe at 2022, we don't know. Hopefully at this year still, but we don't know what go on. You see me, we know them thing they go when they're on big label, a different thing. But in the next part now, Shenseea says she wants some more tattoo, and people are tell her say, you know, get this, get that, and like when somebody mentions say get a picture of her mom, and Shenseea say really. She can't do that, you know what I mean? She don't really want to be reminded about her mother all the time, you know what I mean? So she has said she not even have picture of her mother in her house and in her phone and them thing there. So it's like she feel like she not even really get over it yet. You see me? Or that means that she not get over it. So I don't know if we can relate if anybody miss a loved one or, you know what I mean, lose a loved one in recent times or even in the past, because no matter how long. You see me, I say my condolences to but let's see what Shenseea have to say about that. So take a listen.
Seriously, I'm gonna get a new tattoo, but I don't know what to get. I wanna put it on my hand or on my wrist. I'm thinking about getting a dragon. I love dragons. I'm not doing no thigh tattoos. I love my thighs clean and pretty. But these arms, I really wish I could do sleeves tattoos. But it's not smart. No, you're spoiling your skin. Hey, a lot of trainings will tell me like don't put on no more tattoos.
Exactly.
Yeah, all of a sudden you have mouth. Don't put on no more tattoos. Your mom face? No. Hell no. I don't want to be constantly reminded that my mom is not here. I don't even have pictures of my mother in my house. I do not. It's weird. If I do that, does that mean that I'm not over my mom's death? I don't want to scroll in my phone. I don't put up pictures in my house. Nah. I try not to think about my mom. Ouch. Do a butterfly with dragon? No, no butterflies.
When's your birthday?
The first.
The first of...
Last year, my Shanice gave me gifts upon gifts upon gifts until December. Oh my God, y'all made me feel so loved last year when I was at my lowest. That's just crazy. I love y'all.
Yeah, people, so now hear what she is saying. I want to know say everybody deal with them things different. Everybody grieve different. Some people can get over it quicker than some. Some people can have all kind of pictures. Some people will just post picture every day and that's how them deal with it. But in a fear case, she says she can't have no pictures and them things that she don't want to be reminded. And a tattoo is definitely a no-no, a tattoo of her mother. You see what I say? So people, in addition to that, her birthday is coming up, you know, October 1st, just around the corner. I want to know how I go. I want to know if she go party, if she will do something special with our fans, and want to know. But people, if it's your first time on this channel, like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to Dancehall IG family. Thank you, everybody. Big up on yourself.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tanto Blacks. Yadi!